Honda fans, it's Sierra
and Izzy from Germain
Honda. Today we're going to show you how to use your tonneau cover.
First things first, you got to make sure that your tailgate is unlocked, so go ahead and unlock that. And then you're going to go ahead and pull this down here. And then on the inside here, you'll see there's going to be a lever here. This lever will pull straight down and flip out. There's going to be one on both sides. After you have those two levers, all you got to do is just flip this piece up. Once you have this flipped up to this, these do lay flat, so you just push them straight down and they fold in. When you fold this for the third flip, here, there is a little buckle here that snaps in. You're just going to unsnap it. And then back here, there is a little place to buckle that in. You'll just secure it in, and now your tonneau cover is locked. If you want to take it completely off the vehicle, those that were on the front are also going to be set in the back. You just take those the same way you did the front. That takes it completely off.
Thanks for watching our Tutorial Tuesday. Comment below if you have any questions.
See you next week.